Next question. A point P is 20 mm below the HP and lies in the third quadrant. Its shortest distance from XY is 40 mm. Draw its projections. Okay, so this point P is so lies in third quadrant, so means below the HP, and so the point P is third quadrant means below the HP and behind the VP. Okay, so in this case 20 mm distance given below distance given, but so this distance also not given. Okay, so what is the meaning of 20? So 20 is the below the HP. The point P is 20 mm below the HP and so behind the VP. So the behind the VP, so distance not given, but some clues is there in this question. See here, its shortest distance from XY is 40 mm. Draw its projections. Okay, then see the procedure how to draw this projection of point P. Okay, and then from this point, the point P is 20 mm below the HP, so that so please take from horizontal plane 20 mm distance and draw one horizontal line. This is the 20 mm distance from this XY reference line. Okay, but so in this case some shorter distance given, so that is the 40 from XY. So how to take the shorter distance? See here, so please take 40 mm distance from XY like this. This is the shorter distance. Okay, from here to here equal to how much? 40. Okay, so this is the 40 mm, this one is the 40 mm, this is the 40. Okay, so after that, so draw one vertical line. So draw one vertical line. Okay, so this is the point P position. The 40 mm means it is its shorter distance from XY. Okay, so please take like this. Okay, so 40 mm. Next, so from here to here equal how much distance? From here to here equal how much? Okay, so we can calculate the very easily. From here to here is 20 and from here to here is 40, and just measure the distance by using a scale or a drafter. Okay, just calculate this distance, calculate the this distance. Okay, so now I'm taking, this is the some X, and this one is the X. Okay, but how to draw this? So this projection of point P. Okay, so please observe, this is the point P position. So please observe from this side. Okay, so you will get the front view on this plane like this. Okay, so and top view like this. Okay, so of this is the top view of this point. Okay, so front view is the P dash and top view is the P. Okay, so this one is the HP and VP, but how to draw the on single reference line? See here, just rotate this plane in 90 degrees. Okay, so this you will get this point like this. Okay, so distance from here to here equal to how much distance? X. So how will you get the X value? By the measuring the distance with the help of drafter. Clear? So this is the X. Okay, so this one is the top view P and this is the P dash is the front view. So final answer. Okay, so so in this case please see the procedure. Just take 20 mm distance and draw the one horizontal line. Draw the one horizontal line. So after that, so just take 40 mm shortest distance from XY like this. So this is the shortest distance 40. Okay, so this is the point P. Okay, so after that, just so view from this position, you will get a front view on VP plane P dash. Okay, so and top view on HP plane, this is the P, but this distance is unknown value, so you need to calculate the distance. Okay, so please measure the distance from here to here some X, some here to here is the X. Okay, then after that just rotate this plane in 90 degrees. Okay, so this point is, you will get this point on, you will get this point like this. Okay, so this is the point is P. Okay, so this distance is X. Clear? So then see here, so the final answer is This is the final answer. This point is P, some X. Next to this point is P dash. This is the 20. So how will you get the 20? So by measuring the distance from here to here. Okay, so then same process, just to see the same procedure in AutoCAD software. Just see the procedure. So draw some horizontal plane, then see here vertical plane, horizontal and vertical plane. The next one is so take the distance 20 mm. Okay, so this is the third quadrant, and draw the one horizontal line like this. Okay, so erase this one. From here to here is the 20 mm below the HP, but where is the point P? So please take 40 1 minute. So please take 40 mm distance. Then so please take 40 mm distance. Okay, so 1 minute. Okay, see here, just so please take 40 mm. 40, this is the 27. Okay, this is the 35. This one is okay, see here, just measure the 40 mm distance like this, 40 mm distance. Okay, so this is the point P. So after that, so project this point like this. Okay, so this is the unknown value. From here to here is the unknown value. So from here to here is the unknown value. Okay, just you need to calculate the distance from here to here is 36.42. okay, so from here to, already you know that from here to here is 20. Okay, and this one is the 40. So this one is the, so some mistake is there. Yes, this distance of this line equal to how much? 40. Okay, so this is the 40, this one is the 36.42. so this 20 already given, this 40 is the shortest distance, and draw these two lines and coincide at one point. So that is the point, actual point P, actual point. This is the actual point P. Okay, next just see the front view from this position. You will get the front view on this point and top view at this point. Just rotate this plane. Okay, so rotate this plane and draw the points, like this. See here. Okay, just rotate this plane. Okay, so x equal how much? 36.42. so take 36.42 and draw the point P, and take 20 mm and draw the P dash. Clear? Okay, so now I'm taking 1 minute. Yes, now I'm taking 36.42 is the P point. This is the point P. This is the point P. Okay, so and 20 mm is the below HP. This is the point is P dash. This is the point is P dash. This is the final answer. This one is the XY reference lines. These are the X and Y reference lines. So please remember, this is the horizontal plane, this is the vertical plane. Clear? Okay, so this one is a horizontal and vertical plane. just measure the distance from here to here is 36.42 and this one is the 20. So this is the final answer, P dash, sorry, P, and this is the P dash. Clear?